Hey, Punk Rocker here. Just trying to make this video to go over some of the problems that have recently been going on with the recruiters. A lot of people are having different problems, so I'm going to go over a couple of the solutions that you guys can go through today to help better get your clicking on. Alright, the first problem that we originally experienced, and most of you should already have fixed, but I'll go over anyway, should be that you were receiving a lot of error messages here in the CAPTCHA. As of now, mine is fixed, but occasionally from time to time I have to go refix it after the admin's updated. So to fix that, you're going to go to Tools, Options, go here to the link that says Remove Individual Cookies, and in the search bar you're going to hit KOC _sessions. Session, sorry. And what you do here is highlight that and hit remove cookie. Now what that'll do is it'll log you out of Kings of Chaos because that cookie is no longer there. You hit OK, hit Command Center, and then we'll log back in. And then once you go to the recruit page after that, you should be able to have the CAPTCHAs here. Previously we did not have the YAR recruiter. It went down. From here on out, I don't believe any external clickers can access the website because they moved it from the server they were using, I think, to an in-game server. So now only web-based browsers are available, but do not quote me on that. But we have YAR, which we can launch here. I'm almost out of clicks, as you can see. Recently it's been very slow. Usually this is common at the beginning of the age. You have your total clicked amount, all together on the program. I have more than this. This is just the amount that I clicked on YAR. My clicks today, how many clicks I have left, which I think Eric needs to fix, because obviously I only have 100 and some odd clicks left, and they're telling me I have 3,000. That could be that I've been using other recruiters over the last couple days. It'll queue up the links, and then it'll load about 100. I think it's 100 into here. This logs how many clicks per minute you have. This tells you how the server is going, and of course we're all getting the same message, really slow, and how many you've already clicked during the session and what your current morale is. These numbers will change over time as you click, and to make sure you have the password undefined in the enter code right here, otherwise it won't work. And also sometimes people will put it here, and that will also not work. If you need to exit the program, you hit on board. Maybe you want to see how you're doing compared to the rest of the people using YAR, so you open it up, and it'll bring you to the La Cosa Nostra site that Eric created, and it'll have who's in the top 10 or whatever. Has everyone here. I think everyone, actually. Go all the way to the bottom, whatever. Also you can go to gross to see how people in the higher ranks are growing at that time, and a couple other links that you can go over. This is just for them, this isn't for us click competitions, but yeah, anyway, so we'll exit out of that. And we'll go back, but to get to the YAR page, of course we have our Grease Monkey installed on Firefox. I'm running the latest version. A lot of people said they had difficulty accessing YAR after a recent update, so what you do there is you go here and you go to Manage User Scripts, and you'll see Eric's Modified YAR. I'll remove that temporarily and exit out. I have a link to it in my commander notice, so I would suggest if you have any officers, show them this video and put it in your commander notice. No, I did not want to do that. I have no idea what that is. And I'll go to this link right here, copy it. That'll come up. Grease Monkey will tell me that it wants an installation, Eric's Modified YAR. I'll install that. I can go back to Manage User Scripts and see that it came back up again. This is for a lot of stuff. Some FF scripts that are here. I got this is Bago's YAR that doesn't work anymore, stuff like that. Come back here, so when I go to the recruit page and I have Grease Monkey on, the launch recruiter will be right there. So the new recruiter does work for anyone that wants to use it. Bring up the clicks. As you can see, it's going really, really slow. Normally, next week or so, or within the next week, couple days, who knows how long, some people will drop off clicking and the server will be able to handle the load, and that's when you'll see it go really fast. It'll go all the way up to the number it needs to be. But just a couple times, show you how it works. You just click the letters. I have my cursor right in here, and when you mess up right there, you should be messing up. The server's going really slow. It'll ask you to put in something to fix it. I don't know if that's exactly right. You don't have to be right on cue. It doesn't always go like that. What I've noticed recently with the server being slow, I'll just hit enter. Try not to do too much, because if you try and do too much, it'll freeze up on you. Sometimes if it freezes up on me, I'll refresh the captcha, but that's only for now while the server is being slow. When it's up and running efficiently like it's supposed to be, everything will run fine. Let's see if there's anything else that we can squeeze into this tutorial. For the recruiting aspect, I'll go over. I'm pretty sure it's still the same, but as you can see, my officers are also clicking. They both have about 2,000 morale. These guys are slackers, of course. You're always going to have them. One of them was my girlfriend. That's her. She sucks. Anyway, so they both have about 2,000 morale, and it used to be last age. I'm not sure if it's still the same, if they've changed it, but 50% of that will translate to me, and then 25% to my commander, and then 12.5% to his commander, and then that's it. I think it ends after 3. Also, there's a smaller percentage. It's called the automatic transfer. I think it's like once an hour or once in a while. Morale will automatically transfer over into soldiers right away, and at that point, instead of it trickling up at the 50% ratio, 25, 12.5, it'll only transfer up to like a small percentage. I don't exactly know. If I find out later, I'll post it in the forum. But I hope that really helped you on learning how to use the recruiter for members out there that don't know how to use it, and fixing some of the issues that we've been tackling over the last couple days, which have been pretty annoying. But hopefully everything goes well now. YAR's back up. Admins are done messing with the recruiter, hopefully. And hopefully everything goes well. And I hope this video helped you guys. Peace.